Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to change the language of your Instagram app on your Android device. Follow these steps to personalize your language settings. 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. 4. Scroll down the menu options and find the Language tab. 5. Tap on Language, where you will be able to select and change the language setting for your Instagram app. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the language of your Instagram app to better suit your preferences. Changing the language setting allows you to interact with the app in a language that is most comfortable and familiar to you. Customizing the language on your Instagram app can enhance your user experience and make navigating through the app more intuitive. Whether you prefer to use Instagram in your native language or explore a new language, modifying the language settings is a quick and straightforward process. We hope this tutorial helps you in changing the language of your Instagram app. Thank you for watching.